Okay, so on this question, they're asking us to complete the input-output table, and if needed, round to 2 decimal places. So what are they talking about? So there's a bunch of X values here, and they want us to plug each of those in to the little formula right here, y equals square root of X. So for the first one, I'll go square root of 0, which is just 0. The answer here is just 0. For the next one, I'll go square root of 1, which is just 1. The next one, I'll go square root of 2, which your calculator will tell you is 1.414. So all these can just be done on a calculator. You can use calculators on exams and homework and everything. 1.414, they say round to 2 decimal places. Remember how rounding works? You put a line where you want to stop. They said 2 places, right? So I put a line after 2 places. Are you tracking with me? Let me back that up and do a little bit better job there. Let me make this a little bigger. 1.414. And it goes on and on, but it's good enough. And then you put a line after the second place, because why? Because they told me to stop after 2 places. I'm going to meet the wall right there, going to stop after 2 places. Now, that last digit, the 1, do we leave it a 1, like $1.41, or do we round it up to $1.42? Which one is it closer to? Well, what comes after the wall is only a 4. So that tells us we just leave it at 1.41. If this was a 5 or a 6 or more, then I would go to 1.42, wouldn't I? Remember how rounding works? If the digit after where you're stopping is 5 or more, go up, right? You're closer to the next number up than going back down to 1.41. All right, and then you just keep on going. So the next one would be the square root of 3. So I'm just plugging in every time. So keep on going. You know, your calculator will give you all these ways, all the way down to the last one, which is square root of 9, which is plain old 3. I can do the square root of 4, which is 2. I don't know the square root of 3. You know, whatever that is. Just keep going. Just fill all those in. That's all they want. Again, that's on the calculator. So use your calculator to make that happen. There we go.